Good evening and welcome to the quiet halls of William Fremd High School. My name is Paul Hardy. I am the Applied Technology Department Chairman and also your child's Project Lead the Way Introduction to Engineering Design teacher. I've been in this role for 15 years and I'm now entering my 27th year as an educator. I'm also an assistant varsity football coach, girls track and field coach. I sponsor the Fremd High School Robotics Club and Society Women Engineering Club. In my free time, I'm the father of a 7th grader at Plum Grove Junior High School. I have a 16-year-old junior who just got her license last week. And I'm also the father of a recent 2020 graduate here at Fremd High School. In my wildest dreams, I would have never guessed that we would be starting the school year with no kids in the schoolhouse, no Friday night lights, and teaching a hands-on class through a computer screen. But here we are. We're going to make the best of it. As you know, the last several months and the next few months are all very uncertain times for all of us. The one thing that I want you to know is that I will do my absolute best to ensure that your child has the best experience possible in my class. I'm going to still provide your child with the same great educational opportunities and activities that I would if they were sitting in front of me. Project Lead the Way is a not-for-profit organization that works with universities and industry to provide the most cutting-edge curriculum that will prepare your child for majors in the field of engineering, architecture, technology, and medicine. Project Lead the Way sequence here at Fremd High School looks like this. There are 2 foundation courses, Introduction to Engineering Design, the class that your child is currently in, and Principles of Engineering. Once the 2 foundation classes are taken, typically as a freshman or sophomore year, the student can then choose from our capstone classes, which include digital electronics, civil engineering and architecture, biotechnical engineering, and computer integrated manufacturing. What's cool about the sequence is, by the end of the sequence or by the end of this course, I guarantee that your son or daughter will have an affirmation of a career path. Either they're going to say, you know what, this isn't what I thought engineering was. This is not the career path I want to go down. Or this is awesome. This is exactly what I want to do for the rest of my life. These activities are leading me to exactly what I want to do. Either way, you and your child are going to benefit. If your child says this is for them, we can then focus on specific fields of engineering or technology in the electives here at Fremd High School. If not, there's a multitude of other departments that have great electives throughout William Fremd High School as well, and we could lead them on a pathway to a new career, finding that out as early as they can. Additionally, at the end of this class, on a typical year, students have the opportunity to obtain college credit for taking this class. I will speak to you about this at a later date when more details come available. In this class, we cover a multitude of different topics, including the design process, problem solving, collaboration, reverse engineering, 3D parametric modeling, geometry of design, measurement and statistics, and I will also show how that math and science that they're learning at the other end of the building actually has a purpose in the real world. We also have several speakers throughout the year that are currently in many different engineering fields. Many of the speakers that you will have during this school year actually sat in the same seat that your child would be sitting in if we were currently attending school. How can your child get an A in my class? First, follow the grading rubrics and instructions that will accompany all of the graded assignments. In my syllabus, my syllabus is in the student resources folder. You can see the different grading categories and their weights. Next, your child needs to keep an open line of communication with me so that I know if they are struggling with a topic, or they're completely getting the topic, or they're doing something cool outside that I'd like to see that as well. And as always, give more than expected. That is a life lesson that I believe that everyone should abide by. I have told the students in this class that you will get out of this class whatever you put in. If you decide to put the minimum in, that's fine. But your experiences and knowledge that is gained will be overshadowed by the student that dives into the curriculum all the way. I will take them as far as they want to go. There are a couple things you can do as a parent. First, encourage your child to get involved with one of the clubs that we have in the Applied Technology Department. Automotive, electronics, CAD, makers, robotics, or the Society of Women Engineers. You don't have to be a female to join that group. There's a club that meets pretty much every day after school in our department. Next, as a parent, I encourage you to join the Friend Booster Club. They provide so much of all of our academic and athletic programs. Last year, our department was given over $5,000 in grant funding for things that we couldn't squeeze into our budget. If you like to become a member of the PLTW advisory group, please contact me and I'll fill you in on the details. Finally, encourage your child to seek a summer internship through our career advisor in the Student Services Department. There's a School G code that I will provide you and your child that will describe the internships that are possibly still available. If you ever have a question or concern about the material that I will be providing your child, please feel free to contact me at any time. The best way to get in contact with me is through email at phardy@d211.org. Thank you very much and have a wonderful school year. I hope to see you all soon. Go Vikes.